Good morning, you guys. A little bit of a different start for this video because a little bit of a different video. In this video, we have a BMW X7 behind us that is in for a paint enhancement and a ceramic coating. The ceramic coating is supposed to last 9 years, as Adam's graphene coating states. For this video, I'm not gonna exactly show you guys the entire process up until the paint enhancement. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, iron remove, play bar, wash again, and take care of the interior. What I'm gonna show you guys in this video is the paint enhancement and the ceramic coating application, just so it's more of a specified video. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that now. In the future, with another ceramic coating, let's say, if you guys do want to see the whole process, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see. But as far as this video goes, you guys will only be seeing what gets done in the garage. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. When cleaning the exterior of this X7, it involves a few key steps to ensure it stays in top condition. From rinsing off dirt and debris, to applying a foam cannon, to hand washing every inch of the vehicle, the whole process takes about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. We make sure to clean the wheels and tires as well to keep them looking like new. Moving on to the interior, it's all about maintaining that luxurious feel. Vacuuming the carpets, seats, and floor mats takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Wiping down the dashboard, center console, and door panels to keep everything fresh adds about another 30 minutes. And don't forget the windows. Cleaning the inside of the glass takes around 5 to 10 minutes for a streak-free shine. All in all, detailing both the interior and exterior of this BMW X7 takes roughly 3 hours, depending on how thorough you want to be. But when you're caring for a luxury vehicle like this, every minute is worth it to keep it looking as good as the day you drove it off the lot. Before we apply the ceramic coating, preparation is most important. You have to start by thoroughly washing the car with a gentle pH balanced soap. You'll want to remove any dirt, grime, or oils from the surface because we're not just cleaning the paint here, we're prepping it for maximum adhesion. Once the car is clean, the next step is decontamination. You'll want to use a clay bar to remove any embedded contaminants that are still stuck to the surface that the hand wash wasn't able to take out. This gives us a smooth, flawless finish for the coating to bond with. After the car is completely decontaminated, it's time to dry it off. You'll want to use a clean microfiber towel to ensure there's no water left on the surface. You can use an air compressor or a leaf blower, whatever you have nearby, to make sure there's no excess water in any of the cracks or crevices. Any remaining moisture can interfere with the coating's effectiveness. Now, let's apply the ceramic coating. Work in small sections to make sure the coating bonds properly. Using an applicator pad, we're going to apply the coating in a cross-hatch motion, making sure it's evenly spread out. You'll notice the surface will start to bead as the product is absorbed into the paint. Once you've applied the coating, it's time to buff off any excess using a clean, super soft microfiber towel. This step ensures there's no streaking and leaves the surface with a brilliant shine. After that, we're going to let the coating cure for at least 24 hours overnight before exposing it to any rain or any harsh conditions outside. All right, you guys, approximately 12 hours later, we are complete with the BMW X7 ceramic coating. Literally 12 hours. It is currently 10 p.m. I've been going at it since 10 a.m. Safe to say that it came out beautiful. This is already a new car, so it wasn't hard to make it look good, but I still went through all the proper procedure and steps for a ceramic coating. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like. And personally, I don't think the camera will do it justice, but we'll just see. You know, as we grow and get more ceramic coatings in, the camera will grow with it. So yeah, let's see what it looks like now. Now that the ceramic coating has been applied, this BMW X7 is protected with a durable layer that will keep it looking brand new for years to come. As far as Adam's graphene coating states, it should be 9 years. Will it last that long? All depends on how the customer treats their car. If it's staying in a garage, most likely yes. If it's parked outside every day, maybe not. However, you are definitely promised, and this is for me myself, as long as you maintain your vehicle with hand washes and you're not taking it through a car wash, I believe any ceramic coating should last a minimum of 3 to 5 years. So you guys, I hope the camera did it a little bit of justice. Again, 12 hours of work right here. I'm exhausted. But anyways, now it's gonna sit overnight for the next 24 hours and then the customer will pick it up on the 3rd day. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment anything you have to say, positive, negative, any feedback, any criticism. I'm open to it all. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.